I'm in many cases the first person they meet. I will greet them, I will direct them where they need to go.
They walk through the front doors and Katrine's office is right there. There's times where I come in and the residents, they have these puzzles here that they do, and they always have a difficult time doing them. And Katrine will come after hours and come in, and she's doing the hard parts of the puzzle, so in the morning when the residents start, they have that part done so they can get going on the other part, and they always ask for her.
Well, Charmaine is really the first face that anybody coming in our front doors will see. Charmaine is smiling at them, bubbly, she's, how can I help you? Right away finding out what their need is.
Respect means to me just keeping everybody on even ground line. Respect their situation that they're in at that current time.
She is respectful of whatever the need may be. You know, some people aren't feeling very well, so you know, she makes sure that they're comfortable if they need to get in.
Just treat everyone respectful, and I treat them the way you want to be treated.
When you approach a person with a respectful attitude, it makes your job easier because they're responding with the same note, you know? Especially people that sometimes are aggressive or agitated. When you respect them, you know, they tend to calm down. And
if I need something, she finds a way of getting it for me. She doesn't put anybody down here.
You go in the room, knock the door before you open, you say good morning, you say please and thank you. You know, it makes a big difference on the care.
In one of the groups that Jessica leads, they listen to the kind of music that the patients like. One time when this loud headbanger music was going on, somebody was really quiet, and then after the music was done, they just started to sing. And Jessica stopped and just made that a holy space.
In terms of myself, when I feel respected, I can just be Jessica and people appreciate me for who I am, and there's huge validation in that. And if I feel that, then I think that other people would feel that as well.
One thing that is really impressive about Catherine is that she always has time for people. And we see it in the way that she acknowledges people who have a need. My husband has been here for 2 years. They were trying to get him to go to a bath, and for some reason he was not going to go, and he was getting very angry. And Catherine just had to talk to him in her very matter-of-fact way. She doesn't beg, and she doesn't threaten or anything like that. It's just very matter-of-fact. And off he goes with her. Really appreciated the kind of person that she was.
We nominated Mary Ann for respect. She is always treating everyone around here at the lodge with equal respect. She doesn't seem to get upset or frustrated with an individual, but recognizes their needs and tries to respond to the best way possible for them.
I respect everybody, residents, staff. I respect that everybody has a job. If we don't work together and help each other out, then it doesn't work.
I feel it's really important to show respect because respect, you have to be always considerate of others. All my coworkers and all the residents, that I treat them how I would like to be treated. I do like to make them feel that they're important here. And so I kind of try to create where they have like little jobs. So I have a friend, and so she hands the mail out with me, and so then every day she looks for that specific time of the day.
And whenever somebody will come in, she will stop doing all the paperwork. She will stand up to be at their eye level, and she's going to greet you.
Shirley's been with our organization for over 50 years now. She worked closely with the nuns when they were here. She used to do calligraphy, and she used to do a special birth certificate in calligraphy for all of the new moms. And it wasn't something that she was tasked to do. She took that on by herself. When people are leaving, she writes a song specific to that person. We have a sing-along, and everybody gets to sing the song that she's created for that person, and everyone's tickled when they get a song of their own.
Respect is important in this process because these individuals really need to be recognized and honored, and their families whose lives they've touched also need to be shown that somebody cares.
And so no matter how small or how short the life was, we show respect that this child that died is important and is valued.
It's when we are there in a respectful way, when there is that poignant moment of hurt and pain, that we give it with tenderness and love. That's respect.